All right, we have some breaking news coming in regarding the meeting that is going to be held in Ayodhya. Now, the Lucknow bench of the High Court has dismissed a petition seeking a CBI inquiry into the alleged theft of offerings from the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Mandir Trust. Petitioner Mohit Ashok had sought an order for a CBI investigation. Representing the government, AAG Vinod Sahi and CSE Shailendra Singh argued that a similar petition is already pending before the Supreme Court. Therefore, there was no justification for the matter to be heard here. Let me go across to my colleague Abhishek Singh, who joins us on this broadcast with more information on this front. Abhishek, we saw that there was a petition that was filed at the Lucknow bench of the High Court, and over there they wanted a CBI inquiry into this alleged theft that has taken place. However, the High Court Lucknow bench has now stated that since this is a case that is already being reviewed by the Supreme Court, there is no need for such a petition here.
Yes, a public interest litigation was being filed in the Allahabad High Court of Lucknow bench against the Ram Mandir donation theft case, that a CBI probe, a CBI investigation should be done in the whole matter and an order should be given by the court. Also, regarding the whole matter, a CAG audit was demanded in the public interest litigation, and during the hearing today the court dismissed the PIL, stating as the Supreme Court's order that it's too early to make some kind of orders, or in the whole case already the SIT is investigating an intense investigation in the whole matter, and let the SIT present their report in the whole matter, and stating this, Allahabad High Court of Lucknow bench has dismissed the public interest litigation regarding the Ram Mandir theft case, which was demanding a CBI investigation and a CAG audit in the whole case.
Abhishek, I would request you to please stay on with us as we continue to track multiple angles to this story. We have some breaking news coming in.